famous CEO once said, "Don't give me more information. I've got enough information. But give me key insights and practical takeaways." It's true, right? We're surrounded by so much information that it has become a critical skill to filter this and to create an overview of main and side topics and to see what is still missing in this project. I'm going to share with you the 9-field structure. That is the visual thinking tool that I use in discovery sessions, in creating visuals to help digital transition, and to share complex stories in an understandable way. This structured way of thinking is so powerful, it even works when you only use words or when you work 100% digital. This is the 9-field structure. I divide a page into 9 fields and I give each of these fields a function. So when I listen to a story, I can write down the information in a certain field so that I can use pattern recognition and see what I have and what I'm still missing. Let me show you a quick overview of these 9 fields and end with a few practical examples. I have here a blank page and let's start off by rotating it from portrait to landscape so you have more space to write. On paper I use 2 axes. From left to right is time and from bottom to top is abstract and practical. With the timeline I can put the project in a context, and with the up and down I can pull apart the different layers of meaning. Now let's dive into the 9-field structure. In the center always goes the core. What is this really about? And on the top right is the purpose, the higher goal, because you want to have this as a means to what end. Then these 2 fields on the timeline. You want to know what was the status quo before and what changed so that this became a new problem that needed solving. And after, you want to answer the question, when did we do it right? On the other axis, we work with values. For example, foundation is the values that we're coming from. And ambition, I'll draw it in a cloud here, are the values that we're aiming towards. Another very important field is the cause. What triggered to do this project now? The final 2 fields are the people involved. Who else should be here to take a decision? And on the bottom right are the to-dos. Here you write down your call to action, your key takeaways, and the challenges that you need to overcome. Let's look at 3 quick examples. Imagine you're in a meeting where the core is known. We are going to do digital transition. However, what else is connected? Or when the purpose is known. We want to create an electronic patient file that other patients can read themselves. Yet, how is everybody else involved in this and what should it be like? Or when the cause is known. We no longer want to do door-to-door flyers. It's not sustainable. Great, but how are we going to reach our customers? Next time when someone comes to you and shares in 1 sentence a frustration, an abstract bigger purpose, and a practical problem, you now can use the 9-field structure to pull apart these layers, put them on paper, and see the pattern. That's the 9-field structure that I use to filter out insights and create an overview from complex information. This even works when you only use words. And I know that a lot of you work 100% digital. So that's why I've created a PowerPoint and a Google Sheet template that you just can fill out so you can create the bigger picture overview of any project you work on. Find the template goodies below this video. Good luck with implementing and high five.